let's see how to type cube in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to write our cubed in superscript form, what we can do is simply type in our text. For example, we want x cubed. Now, as you can see right here, we have x3 type. And what you can do is highlight the number 3. Now, click on superscript here in font in the home page. And there you go. We now have x cubed or a cubed symbol in your document. A faster way to do this is simply to highlight the number 3 and click on Ctrl+Shift+ in your keyboard. And that should do the same thing. You can also do other stuff, such as insert symbols. However, this may take a longer time since you'll have to go through different symbols to insert your cube symbol. And that is how you can type in cube in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.